Madam Presiding Officer, I therefore move that we pass ordinance converting the Iloilo Provincial Development Center for Women and Children in CABATUAN, Iloilo to Iloilo Province, Balay Pag-asa for children in conflict with the law, to be known as Balay Pag-asa.
Madam Chairperson, on motion of the author, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance number 2023-302.
For Provincial Ordinance number 2023-302, for those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Again, Mr. Secretary.
Madam Presiding Officer, all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
With all members voting in favor of the ordinance, Provincial Ordinance number 2023-302, entitled An Ordinance Converting the Iloilo Provincial Development Center for Women and Children, IPDCWC in CABATUAN, Iloilo, to Iloilo Province Bahay Pag-asa for children in conflict with the law, to be known as Balay Pag-BAG-O, authored and sponsored by the Honorable Matt P. Palabrica, is now approved under third and final reading.